Drawing tools! Sometimes they're good, but why are they good? Sometimes they're bad, but why are they bad? It's time for drawing tools! You're going to share a computer with your partner. This is a checklist. Use the checklist with your partner the whole time to make sure you do everything right. This checklist shows on StoryMaker, you're going to draw a line down the middle of the page. Then pick one tool. Use that tool to draw one thing the tool is good for. Then use the same tool to draw one thing the tool is bad for. Next, you'll talk about it, about why it's good and why it was bad. The checklist will help you check yourself before you wreck yourself. Wreck yourself means mess yourself up. So use the checklist to check yourself before you mess up.
So take it, check yourself before you wreck yourself. So take it, check yourself before you wreck yourself. Come on and check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Let's see what's on the checklist to check ourselves before we wreck ourselves. Step 1. One partner will draw a line down the middle of their StoryMaker page. Use a big tool like the big paintbrush. It does not have to be perfect. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Look at the checklist to see what to do next. Step 2. Pick one tool that you and your partner will use. Let's use the rainbow brush. Okay, yeah, the rainbow brush.
So take it, check yourself before you wreck yourself. So take it, check yourself before you wreck yourself. Come on and check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Look at the checklist to see what to do next. The first partner will use that tool to draw something it's good for. The rainbow brush is good for a heart. The second partner will use the same tool to draw something it's bad for. The rainbow brush is bad for a tree.
So take it, check yourself before you wreck yourself. So take it, check yourself before you wreck yourself. Come on and check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Now it's time for step 4. Time to talk. See the boy and girl's mouths? They have accountable talk mouths. That means it's time for accountable talk. The first partner has a purple starter sentence next to it, saying this tool is good for blank because blank. This tool is good for a heart because a heart could be rainbow colors. Partner 2 says, this tool is bad for blank because blank. This tool is bad for trees because it is too big for leaves and trees are not rainbows. Okay, we're done. Now what? When you're done, press the red X and yes, YES, so you can start a new one. Then start at the top of the checklist and do a new one. Drawing tools! Sometimes they're good, but why are they good? Sometimes they're bad, but why are they bad? It's time for drawing tools!